Ebike 1865, a retro-futuristic concept reimagined. The Ebike 1865 is a concept electric bicycle that reimagines the classic velocipede, a 19th-century bicycle, through the lens of modern technology and materials. Developed as a design study by BASF, a leading chemical company, in collaboration with the design firm Ding 3000, the project showcases the vast potential of innovative plastics in the field of sustainable transportation. Constructed almost entirely from advanced plastic materials, the Ebike 1865 is lightweight, durable, and puncture-resistant, making it not just a nostalgic tribute, but a forward-thinking mobility solution. Cyclorotors revolutionizing flight and propulsion. Cyclorotors, also known as cycloidal rotors, represent one of the most advanced and flexible forms of propulsion ever developed for air and water vehicles. Unlike traditional propellers or jet systems, cyclorotors use a series of blades that rotate around a horizontal axis perpendicular to the direction of motion. Zapata Jet Racer redefining personal flight. The Zapata Jet Racer is a revolutionary personal aircraft that pushes the boundaries of flight innovation. Designed by Zapata, a company founded by former jet ski champion Frankie Zapata, this futuristic machine features 10 powerful jet engines that enable vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, rapid acceleration, and highly agile landings. Capable of reaching altitudes of up to 10,000 feet and speeds of 150 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour, the Jet Racer combines power with precision. It boasts a 10-minute flight time and can carry up to 440 pounds, 200 kilograms of cargo, making it versatile for both transportation and utility missions. Built from lightweight carbon fiber, the Jet Racer features a cutting-edge design that blends functionality with futuristic aesthetics. It can be operated remotely or autonomously and is intended for a wide range of uses, including recreational flight, surveillance, emergency response, and even military applications. Officially launched in the United States in 2023, the Zapata Jet Racer aims to be the first commercially accessible flying car, ushering in a bold new era of personal aviation. Zeva Zero, the Flying Saucer eVTOL. The Zeva Zero is a futuristic personal transportation concept that blends electric power with vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL capabilities. Shaped like a flying saucer, this innovative aircraft is designed to carry a single passenger up to 50 miles, 80 kilometers, at speeds of up to 160 miles per hour, 257 kilometers per hour, all without requiring a traditional pilot's license. What sets the Zeva Zero apart is its compact and practical design. Unlike most eVTOL vehicles, the Zeva Zero is built to land in a standard parking space, making it a truly urban-friendly flying solution. It is powered by 8 electric motors and propellers, providing precise thrust and maneuverability in all directions. Developed by Zeva Aero, a company focused on efficient and emission-free air mobility solutions, the Zeva Zero represents a bold vision for personal flight. In January 2022, the aircraft successfully completed its maiden test flight, marking a major milestone in its development. With commercial availability expected as soon as 2024, the Zeva Zero stands as a powerful example of the next wave of personal mobility, combining sustainability, innovation, and futuristic design in one remarkable aircraft. Rosano RCE, the world's first electric snow bike. Unveiled at Eurobike 2021, Europe's largest cycling expo in Friedrichshafen, Germany, the Rosano RCE is a groundbreaking electric snow bike that blends the thrill of mountain biking with the agility of a snowmobile. Developed by Rosano, a French company specializing in winter and mountain sports, the RCE replaces traditional wheels with dual skis. allowing riders to glide effortlessly across snow and ice. Powered by a high-performance electric motor and battery, the RCE reaches speeds of up to 25 miles per hour and offers a range of approximately 12.5 miles. This innovative snow bike features an adjustable, button-operated seat, providing maximum comfort and control for riders in varying terrains. The RCE is the result of 2 years of dedicated research and testing, incorporating the most efficient components available on the market to deliver a unique and exhilarating winter riding experience. The Rosano RCE stands as a remarkable achievement in the evolution of electric sports vehicles, combining futuristic design with cutting-edge performance. Sales are expected to begin soon, offering adventurers a bold new way to conquer the slopes. Quiggle folding bike, the smallest, lightest, and most portable ride. Meet the Quiggle, the world's smallest, lightest, and most enjoyable folding bike that's redefining urban mobility. Designed to shock and impress, this bike folds in just 10 seconds, fitting effortlessly into a carry-on, under train or bus seats, or even inside a locker. When not in use, it can be rolled like a trolley, making it the perfect travel companion. What truly sets the Quiggle apart is its innovative upright riding position, allowing you to pedal faster with less strain on your muscles and joints, something traditional folding bikes can't match. Built in Germany using premium materials, it's available with a range of gear options to suit your riding needs. Whether you're a city dweller, commuter, traveler, or adventurer, the Quiggle is the folding bike you've been waiting for. Compact, convenient, and crafted for comfort. Discover the joy of cycling anywhere, anytime with the Quiggle.